How to clear your search history on Google Play. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see I am already on my Google Play. So you want to be on this page right here. So from here you want to click on your profile picture, which is in the right top corner. And then from here you want to click the settings. And then here you want to click on the first option, which is general. And then here you want to click on account and device preferences. So here as you can see we have account email, country and history. So click on that. And then from here you want to scroll down until you find here the last option, which is history. So here you can clear the device search history, clear wish list, or leave beta programs and some other things. So you can just click on the first option or the second one and just hit on clear history. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.